My dear students, Andhra University has issued notification regarding AP set. So, as a vast experienced chemist lecturer, I am going to discuss some important points related to AP set chemical science. How to crack, how to get through the chemical science examination. So, actually, I am handling up to intermediate level. But after observation of AP set chemical science paper, definitely a person who is handling intermediate section with the JE, main and NEET and advanced and MSET, definitely he will cover minimum out of 100 out of 200 marks, definitely he will cover 80 marks. Remaining 60 marks, the question paper standard may be degree and PG level. But 40 questions, definitely you have a chances to cover. If you go for atomic structure, definitely atomic structure, if you well versed, if you thorough with atomic structure, there is a possibility to ask a question in atomic structure, quantum numbers, angular momentum, radial nodes. So very easy question, one can answer it, no doubt about it. Periodic table, if you go for periodic table, atomic size, isoelectric series order, atomic series order, which is more size, which is less size, periodic trends, diagonal relationship, which element. So, in generally, atomic radius, increasing order, decreasing order, diagonal relationship, less atomic size, more atomic size. So, there is a easy question you may expect in periodic table. Again, if you go for chemical bond you can observe two bits. Which bit? That is bond order, hybridization order, which is hybridization. What is the bond order of the species? What is the order of the bond order? What is the order of the bond order? What is the order of the bond strength? So bond order strength, bond strength order. So this type of questions, at the same time bond angle orders, bond length, bond order, bond angle orders, hybridization. What are the hybridization involved? At the same time, the percentage of S character, the percentage of P character. So that type of questions also may be figured in AP set chemical paper. IF3, IF5, IF7, P character. So you may expect this type of questions. After verifying previous year question papers, I am going to discuss some important points before you. At the same time, medicinal chemistry, one can expect definitely one question. Hypertension, insulin, there is a question. Paracetamol, at the same time fungal diseases, ascorbic, salicylic acid, how you can prepare, what is vitamin C, what is vitamin D. So medicinal chemistry, inflammatory, what is fluconazole. So this type of questions usually we can observe AP set chemical science paper. Again, if you go for environment chemistry, there is also one question. What about green chemistry? What is PAN? What is chlorofluorocarbons? Which is not greenhouse gases? Which is greenhouse gases? What is the gas present in Bhopal gas tragedy? So, a very easy question, but somewhat tricky. So, one must answer very easy, but go through this paper very thoroughly. Coordination chemistry, if you take coordination chemistry, definitely you may expect two questions. Crystal fit splitting energy calculation. Again, DSP2, SP3D, hybridization, matching. At the same time, catalyst, Wilkinson catalyst. hydrogenation catalyst, hydroformylation catalyst. So many catalysts are there. Again, matching, there is a question. Ziegler-Natta catalyst. So you go through all these catalysts. Again, ligands order, strength of the ligands, series, octahedral, tetrahedral complexes. So crystal speed, octahedral splitting, square planar complexes. So definitely IUPAC names. So one can easily attempt this type of questions. So you can observe this type of question in APCD chemical science paper. Again, if you go for named reactions, definitely minimum one question may be figured. Remer-Taymer, what is the intermediate obtained in the Remer-Taymer reaction, Kolbe reaction, Wolff-Kirchner, Clemenson, HVZ, what is the reagent used in HVZ reaction? A very important question. Red phosphorus, very easy question. So many questions may be figured named reaction if you go through well. Again, black element, S black, P black elements, difference. Again, D black elements, F black elements, europium, samarium, gadolinium, terbium, dyspronium, erbium. Which is more stable? Why? Half field configuration, complete field configuration, d orbitals, f orbital, lanthanide contraction, hafnium, lanthanum, hafnium, tantalum, lanthanide elements. So here, lanthanide contraction, if you observe very keenly, there is a possibility to ask a question in lanthanide contraction. So which is because of lanthanide contraction, imperfect poor shielding. What is the reason for lanthanide contraction? Imperfect poor shielding. So there is a possibility, there is a question regarding lanthanide contraction. So if you observe perfectly, so at the same time, quantum mechanics, Bohr's Schrödinger wave equation, probability of finding electron, Schrödinger wave equation, Jablonski diagram, bond order diagrams. So you go through well. Again, there is a chances. Diboranes, boranes, closoborans, nidoboranes. So if you take this type of questions, easily you can catch minimum 40 bits. 40 into 2, 80 marks. So again, if you go for some high level standing, again some questions for tomorrow we will discuss. Thank you.